I'm Garrett Jess with Jess Ford. Today we're going to show you Pro Trailer Hitch Assist in this F350 trimmer, brand new. Let's go inside. Okay, so Pro Trailer Hitch Assist really makes backing up to a trailer very easy. You can do it by yourself. I don't know if you've backed up to a trailer and it takes you 10 times getting in and out, checking if everything's right, go back and forth. The cameras help a lot, but now Ford's even up their game and all you got to do is press a button. Okay, let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vehicle in reverse. I'm going to hold the Pro Trailer button. Is the trailer connected? No, it is not. Pro Trailer Hitch Assist is initializing. So now I got to back the vehicle up into where the trailer is in the green circle. Or when it turns green, then you're good. Now it says press and hold the button to start. I now have no control of the wheel. My foot is off the gas, the brake, everything. All right, it's trying to make sure, do you have the right ball? Is the height right? So is it appropriate? We've already checked it, so we know that it is. Okay. All right, let's go check it out and see how it did. As you can see, it's right above. Now we just got to hook it up, lower the trailer. I'm Garrett Jess with Jess Ford. Thanks for watching our video on Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. If you want to know about Pro Trailer Backup Assist, let us know. Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do you want to get me doing this whole thing, or?